Professional email marketing advice that's proven to work. Do you have an online business that could use a boost? One easy solution is a business strategy called email marketing. Marketing through targeted emails to potential customers is a great way to get some extra visibility for your business. Read on to find out how you can start today. Keep your content current and variable. Do not just repeatedly send out the same 5 messages repeatedly. If you want to keep people's attention, there needs to be something fresh, or their attention will go elsewhere. If they wanted round-the-clock commercials, they would just stay at home watching home shopping channels. Even if some of them do that, give them something different when they check their inbox. Get creative with your email designs to find out what works best. Send out a few emails with content and links that differ in their fonts and text color. Play around with image positioning, including buttons and logos. After you've sent the emails, find out which ones had the best click-through rates. Stick with those for the time being, but change it up on occasion to see if you can find a method that works even better. More click-through rates equate to more sales. In order to banish all concerns about spam and ensure that no one on your subscriber list is there by mistake, consider employing a double opt-in strategy. Your first message should require some sort of additional action, like replying or clicking on a link, to make certain that the reader wants to receive further emails. As you can see, email marketing is something that any business owner can use to great effect for their business. Applying the tips in this video to your marketing strategy will make some great improvements to your business right away. Try it now and see what a difference email marketing can make. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.